Junior teacher for that lovely introduction of me and Snowy. So yeah, my name is Redhead Bill, and I am so glad I got picked to be on the Nutcracker channel. So, I guess it is Snowy's turn. So, come up here, Snowy. Guys, I think the camera is too high. Or actually, too low for me.